plus years of experience is there. If someone is joining. Yeah. So I have 15 years of experience is there, included with that .NET and Microsoft Dynamics, different versions. I'm a corporate trainer, guys. So I have given that MNC level 5 training companies, and I have the experience with the offline and the online training as well. So that is about myself. And before going to the demo, this is a completely technical, and here coding is there. Okay, coding is there. So who are eligible to learn this course? See guys, who are coming from that BTech computer science background or electronic communications and triple E IT, all BTech graduates are so fine. And the MCA and MSc computers, BCom computers, BA computers, those guys is able to learn this course. Okay, who are coming from that MBA background without computers, then it is this course is not suitable for those people because this is completely technical and coding is there here. So what is our coding? Our coding is the H++. We'll discuss about the coding part later. First of all, what is the Dynamics 365 F&O? It's a ERP, guys. Okay, Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a ERP. Do you have any idea about the ERP? Earlier, anyone heard about that this ERP? Hi, Umakant. Can you? Yeah, fine. So, guys, any idea? If you have idea, you can share. If you don't have any idea, just use the chat box, yes or no, so that we can go into the topic very fast. Hmm? So, ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning. In market, we have number of ERPs are there, like SAP, Oracle, ERP, our Dynamics 365, Tally. Okay, these are the ERPs, guys, and we have other ERPs also is there, but these are trending ERPs in the market. So what we can do using these ERPs, the entire business. So the customer having that one big business is there, that entire big business we can handle using the this ERP. So any business, guys, what are the things are required? They require that customers, right? And vendors. The main thing is the finance, and the employees are required for the HR. The employer needs to be pay their wages to that payroll. Okay, and based on the business, they need a one warehouse and production. So these all are the things are involved into that any single business you can take. Okay, any small business you can take all these modules are directly or indirectly involved. So to operate this any business, the ERP is required. So from scratch onwards, if you want to implement these all modules, it will take too much of time. But when you purchase the ERP, then the first day onwards it's ready to use. Okay, when the first day onwards it's ready to use. But if it is a first day onwards ready to use, but why we require? Correct. Why we require means once I have purchased any product, is it suitable 100% my business? Let's example, if you have purchased any new mobile, okay, that mobile is 100% suitable for your business or daily needs. No, right? We can install the what are the apps we required and the office things and VPN if it is required. Those everything we can install it. Then only it is going to be suitable for our business, right? The same thing ERP, after purchasing the ERP any business, what are the suitable things and what it is where it is not fit, then we are going to be do the customization. So here we can do the customization. What the customization will do, why you not to implementation can't do? Implementation is nothing but from scratch onwards we can implement it. Let's say any banking website, school management site, all those things. Okay, but ERP is completely is talking about the business only. The how the business is happening in the entire the worldwide, the ERP is maintaining. So once purchasing and maintaining the ERP, it may not suitable for the 100% to our daily business needs. So we can go with that customization using the H++ coding part. So as a technical consultant, we can do the customization, but as a business point of view, we have a one more consultant called function consultant is there. We can simply call it as a FC, function consultant. So these function consultants will talk to that business users, then get the requirement. So these functional consultant have the knowledge about that full end-to-end knowledge about the ERP, and these guys is go to that client place and discussing to the client, and they can maintain a one notes, then one come back to that is a office, then identify what the customer is required, what it is not available, what are the available, everything he can note it into the separate, then what it is not available, then he is making a one FDD. Okay, call it as functional design document. Why he is making FDD? Because what are the not suitable things, that means is say if it is not fit to the business, so we are going to be customized in small amount of customizations, then the customer can able to achieve the 100% of this ERP suitable his business. So that documentation we can call it as a functional design document. So your function consultant will tells about that. So this functionality is not available in the standard functionality. So we can do that these small changes. We can call it as a technology customization on the standard product. Then we can achieve your business goals. Till now clear, guys? Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah. So guys who are joined late, please fill this form. Okay. Yeah. Now customization. FTD is ready. Once the FTDs are ready, then technical consultant will come to the picture. Who we are technical consultant. What we can do, we can write the code. Okay, here this is a completely coding training, guys. Okay, but compared to .NET Java, that much level of coding is not there. It's a very simple. Okay, compared to those languages. So here we can do the coding. So what is our coding language? Our coding language is a H++. So once the technical person got the FDD, what we can do, technical people writing the code and prepared a document called technical design document. Okay, function consultant will prepare a function design document, and technical people will create a document called technical design document. What you can here we can maintain what is the form we have modified, what is the report we have modified, what is the table we have modified. Everything is mentioned into the technical design document. Okay, that is the part the technical consultant will do. Exactly in real time, this is the thing is happening, guys. So that is the ERP. Here we are not doing the implementation. We are working the product. Now I will show to that product how it is there. So this is the product URL, guys. So F&O, this is the home page, because from after 8 2012 onwards it is a cloud based version. So it is this is the home page, and here you can see that default modules, accounts payable. Okay, these all modules what we can see that the left hand side navigation bar, these all are the standard modules. Microsoft is given these modules. So this is talking about that vendors and their purchase order information, everything. The account receivables, this thing. Maybe you may not do familiar with this terminology. That's why I'm going to that human resource. So I will go to that human resource. Then we can. easily understand that these terminologies. In the human resource, who are the employers, who are the contractors, who are the workers, past workers, pending workers, everything. So these things is already available in the standard. Okay, once the company is purchased this product, from first day onwards, it is usable. They can ready to use it. But what are the things is not there? They can recruit some technical consultant based on that business needs. They can do the customizations. So if you go to the payroll, who are the payroll and their pay slips and everything, payroll management is there. So like warehouse, if you take the warehouse management, so what is the loads are coming, open loads, wave load. This end user screen will handle with the functional consultant, guys. Our code we are going to be write into the Visual Studio. So here we are going to be writing the entire code, guys. So this is actually AOT. We can call it as a AOT. In AOT, this is the structure is the what are the data types code. This is the developer environment. Visual Studio here we can write the code, and the Visual Studio the Dynamics 365 then tab is there. So we can create the tables and their extensions views. This is actually our syllabus. Okay, we'll go to that our syllabus here. See, day one, day two, till now it's a planned with that 44 or 45 sessions, but it will take the 2 months of time, guys. I will share that this syllabus with you. Okay, the syllabus I will share with you. It will take that around 2 months of the duration. Okay, 2 months duration. Daily 1 hour session is there. Okay, we'll provide that a soft copy of materials, and the class timings are going to be planned is this batch is that 8 a.m. IST. Okay, these are the things, guys. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. This is about the demo. If you have any idea before coming to that F&O, okay, you can ask me now.